What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I did a YouTube video, so yes, here we are and I had missed this. So to start off, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, then keep on watching, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because it's free, yes, and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much. So we're going to start off with our eyebrows, and no, wait a minute, we are going to moisturize our lips. Yes, moisturizing your lips is very important. You don't want your lips to look dry all the way. Yes, then we're going to quickly do our primer. So that is the Master Prime primer, the hydrating one from Maybelline, and we are just going to randomly place it on our face and rub it in circular motions. I like to do a primer before I do anything else so that I can allow it to sit in the face and yeah, give it maximum work. So our eyebrows are finally done. Then now we're going to take this palette. Oh my god, I'm so in love with this palette. The pigmentation, pigmentation, Juvia's did not come to play. I got my palette from asminibeauty.com. If you want to check them out, you can go ahead and check them out. Yes, so I'll quickly go into that. I was going for a very neutral look, but then again an elegant one, but me with neutral looks cannot work. So there we go. I cut my crease, then I used setting spray to pick up the shade Coffee, and it is a gold shimmer shade. Then I'm going to also blend out the crease with the shade that I first used, which was Cameroon. Then quickly doing my lashes. Oh no, I love these lashes. Then let us set the face because we need the makeup to stay put the whole night. And now we're going to quickly do our lips. Going to highlight using the shade Glow Getter from Joanna K Cosmetics. Yes. Then we're going to use gloss on top of lining our lips. You're going to use gloss. This is Black Opal lip gloss, and you're going to top it off with Sweetheart lip gloss from H&H GLAM. Yes, then go ahead and blend your foundation and your powder. And there you go guys, this is the final look. I went ahead and put on my earrings and styled my hair and put on my outfits, and I was in for this look, yo guys. If you haven't seen my red carpet pictures, I'll be flashing them in a bit. Yes, and basically this was my red carpet look for that night. This was the premiere of a movie, Coerced Revenge, that I did. If you haven't watched this movie, yo guys, what are you doing to yourself? Go ahead and buy yourself a ticket. I'm not so sure if they have the runs still going on, but yes, go ahead and buy the tickets, go watch. Let's support Kenyan movies. Yes. Oh money overdose, overdose. And then I went ahead and started singing along to Overdose. So guys, I hope you do enjoy this video, and if you did, go ahead and leave a like, and also if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Till next time guys, bye, and I love you so much. Nimeshindwa kukuachilia.
Overdose, hapo nyuma overload, umetosha gari ligi yako ni ya 4x4 zile